Spanning across capital city Dhaka and port city Chattogram, it is the realm of Yunusco. Valued buyers can visit Yunusco's production bases both in Adamji EPZ, Narayanganj and Kalurghat heavy industrial area Chattogram within a working day, and its head office is at Textile, Dhaka. The chairman of Yunusco Group, Yunus Ahmed, started the business in 1969 and realized that as a visionary business leader, he has to uplift his surroundings around the industry for making it a sustainable one. Yunus's thoughts for businesses with different perspectives are vital for stronger problem solving, more innovation and better governance. It seems obvious that people from different background, different skill sets, different life experiences bring different perspective. This is the business case for having more diverse people in the Yunusco team. All its factories are fully compliant according to local and international standards. For its distinct performance, Yunusco has achieved several prestigious awards and accolades, and thus renowned buyers express thorough confidence in Yunusco. Its clientele spreads all over the world. Yunusco has a product gallery for all its world-class product. Yunusco is famous for intimate wear, sportswear, and it covers casual and fashion ranges of knitwear for all age groups. More than 10,000 workers are working in a soothing atmosphere. A rigorous compliance standard is followed at Yunusco, applying conventions set by both the ILO and local authorities. Workers and officials are provided with proper sanitation, drinking water and canteen and dining facilities. Moreover, they can access childcare, breastfeeding corner, medical checkups, medicines and maternity facilities completely free of charge. Salaries reach them through ATM booths. Jobs are provided to specially able people too. Yunusco's firefighting preparation is of world standards with fire doors, fire hydrant, auto pumps and auto sprinklers. Regular training sessions to keep its people trained and ready for effective emergency evacuations are arranged. A skill development program is in effect for sustainable growth of all its workers. Workers' rights and responsibilities are established at the factory through Workers' Participation Committee. The management supervises pre-production meetings, detail action plans, and allocates specific jobs to each department. Yunusco's design and development team exemplify expertise with intricate designs using computer-aided design CAD. Their performance at the design desk culminates in the finest products that rival and advance contemporary fashion. A highly capable merchandising unit with high-tech professional excellence at pre-production preparations solidifies smoothest headway towards absolute quality and speed in production. Efficient sample sections check if each piece of apparel is an identical reproduction of the samples approved by the buyers. Then patterns and markers are obtained using world-leading computer-aided solutions. Yunusco produces world-class knit fabrics in a variety of stitches and gauges, having world's latest and most dependable circular knitting machines of renowned brands. It produces all kinds of knitting fabrics. Its production capacity is 780 tons per month. Starting from auto-dispensing units to distribute chemicals and dye stuff in